Hello and welcome to the Howard Johnson Anaheim.
Hi guys.
Welcome. Today we're going to be showing you an awesome room here at the Hojo.
Yes, I'm Adam.
I'm Kara.
I'm Eric.
And we are
The Insiders. And let's get started.
Yeah. So this is actually one of my favorite rooms in all of Howard Johnson's.
Yes.
Because it is 2319.
Oh, I know, 2319.
It is a unique number and a unique style inside. I love it.
Okay, comment right now if you know why 2319 is the best number.
Oh yeah.
But comment right now.
And secondly, it's the best number because look at this room.
I know.
We love it so much. Okay, it's really open. It reminds me of kind of a studio apartment almost. It's way bigger than most of the rooms because of this extra indent. We get the round table with 3 chairs, which is perfect for us. We sit here. I like to say we have meetings. Really, we like eat lunch and play cards here. But it's so fun to just sit at this table.
This is actually our Monopoly table. We pretend like it's our work table, but it's
Yeah.
really Monopoly.
So that means you can do like literally anything on your trip here because it's nice and big and like kind of spacious.
You can get food delivered and eat it here at this table, and I think it's great. We
have a great
spend a lot of
time.
time here.
Honestly, I will say this table just feels so productive no matter what you're doing.
Yes.
I know, just sitting at this table, you're like, it's a good day.
Good
Yeah,
day.
we could
Stuff
rule the
done.
world from this table.
We could.
All right, and check this out. From this room type, you always have a view of the pool. Pretty awesome.
And guys, these Hojo beds, oh, they're the best.
Every Hojo room has a mini kitchen inside, which is always the best.
Awesome.
All right, show us what we got, Kara.
We have a nice big fridge here with lots of room for stuff. Keeps stuff very cold, and the market downstairs sells like milk and like essentials and stuff, so it's perfect. You have a little microwave here and some cups, ice bucket for the ice machine, and a coffee maker, which is always essential.
And here in 2319, we have lots of desk space and lots of space for suitcases and stuff. That's what I love about these rooms. You have the big desk space, and then over to the side of the desk, always there's this massive area for suitcases, and then the drawers underneath for your clothes, however you want to organize it. And then the closet also has lots of space above, under, in the shelves, literally everywhere. And of course, there's a power outlet right here that has AC outlets and USBs, so you can charge your phones, computers, anything you need. There's, of course, outlets all around the room, but I love that on the desk there's this little pop-up right there.
The best thing about Hojo's is their bathroom, because you have this giant well-lit mirror and 2 sinks for extra efficiency in the morning if you have like a large family, as well as a great shower, and yeah, it's just an awesome bathroom.
Adam is not acting.
No.
He's just deciding to be lazy while we film a whole room tour.
The beds are just so comfortable though. Here at the Hojo Anaheim, they strive for 5, which is a 5-star review on TripAdvisor. So if there's anything that the front desk or the hotel can do to make your stay more comfortable, be sure to let the hotel know and they would be happy to help. And if everything's perfect, please leave them a 5-star review on TripAdvisor.
And as I mentioned before, the closet space is amazing. They have this whole spot up here, and then down here you can hold suitcases. These are all closets. And then like a lot fills in with these spots. I mean, honestly, Kara for scale for a moment. Even I could stand under here. I mean, look, there's so much room, and I'm kind of tall.
Adam!
Hey.
And almost every room here at Howard Johnson's Anaheim comes with an Alexa in your room, and you can have Alexa do all kinds of things for you, including ask the front desk for more towels. And if you don't want Alexa in the room, you can simply ask the front desk or just unplug it yourself. What I love about room 2319, despite the obvious movie reference, is just how unique this room actually is. There's not a lot of hotel rooms here in Hojo or in Anaheim that are set up like this, and I think it's awesome.
All right, guys, that is 2319.
Yes.
We love this room.
Oh yeah, we hope you stay here on your next visit to Anaheim.
Yes, this room type is awesome, so be sure to check it out.
And be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss another awesome video. I'm Adam.
I'm Kara.
I'm Aaron.
And we are The Insiders.
See you next time.
Bye.